Now, today I'm going to be making a video about a little bit of a review of the iHome CrystalTunes not iPod dock, like mini stereo system, I guess. Now, first off, it has a blue indicator for when it's on. It is rechargeable. It does not take batteries. It has a lithium-ion battery built in that you cannot remove. It takes a mini USB for charging. It looks suspiciously a lot like the X Mini, except it's a lot better. You can't touch it. It has a protective grill. It does do the same thing. You can see inside of it. I have to turn the flashlight on. There we go. Yeah, you can kind of see the spider in the coil. It's a red coil. And I will be testing it. And I did not find it in a box. I just found it tucked away in a box one day. But it works pretty good. It used to be mine, but I gave it to my dad. But for my test music, it's going to be, focus. Yeah, T-Mass Up in Flumes. This is not my phone, by the way. This is my brother's phone. Although it's the exact same. It's a bit different. So let's play a song. It's pretty loud. Has good bass, too. It jumps sometimes, too. As if you saw in my previous iHome video with Ludacris. How well. Has good bass.
Let's play.
It goes quite loud. No bass. I can feel this little counter rattling a little. But my phone actually ran out of recording space, so I had to make some space. Anyhow, let's continue. I will put this video together, by the way. I don't have much on the song left, so it will just be a short part 2, I guess. I can feel it rumbling in my hand. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and this is a great little device. I greatly recommend it if you want an external speaker for like your phone or tablet, whatever, or any music device, because it is a great loud little thing. It has a good bit of bass too, and I'm not sure if it's better than the X Mini. It probably does, because it feels like I've felt an X Mini before. X Minis like feel pretty cheap, but this thing feels sturdy. It's like it has good plastic on it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review of the iHome CrystalTunes Mini Stereo, or whatever you want to call it.